She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Born Pretty, and this is their neon hot pink gel collection, and let me just say these are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, we're gonna get them opened. So we just get this little pamphlet here. I don't know why I was having a hard time opening it. Just tells you how to prepare your nails, how to apply the gel polish, how to remove it, and then there's just some little tips on the back there. So yeah, you get 6 polishes here, and I like how it has the number on the top and then it has a little window there so you can see the color. And these are the BPHP01 to 06. This is a beautiful baby pink, and this is a little bit darker pink. It reminds me kind of like Pepto-Bismol. I don't know why, but a little bit. And then now we're going to start getting into like the neon colors. This is a neon pink, and it's, oh, this one is so pretty. Really pretty. My favorite out of the collection, this is like a neon red. It's like an orangey red, more red though, just super neon. It's so pretty. And this is 05. This is a pink, a bright pink, but to me it goes more towards like a purple in a way. I don't know, to me that's the only way I can describe it. And then this is a glitter one that they put in there, and this one's really pretty too. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready so we can swatch these. And so I already applied base coat to my swatch sticks. And so the first one here is that really soft pink, and I'm gonna show this one in real time just so you can see the application. But I love Born Pretty polishes. I've reviewed quite a few kits already, and I absolutely love the polishes. They're so nice to work with, never have any issues. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you one coat here, and then I will apply 2 coats. But this one's a real pretty soft pink. And then this is the number 2. This is the little bit darker pink. And I am going to be doing a set in this video today. I had a lot of fun working with the pinks just in time for Valentine's Day. But also these are going to be perfect for spring and summer, especially the neon in the summer. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be pretty. And so this is the neon pink. Really, really pretty. But even with one coat, they have really good coverage. And this is my favorite one here. This is the neon reddish color, really pretty. This is my absolute favorite collection that I have from Born Pretty. My second is the holiday one that I had with that red and like the golds. But yeah, this is definitely, oh, when I saw these colors, they're just absolutely gorgeous. This one's super pretty too. I'm gonna try to do another set. Hopefully before Valentine's Day, because I want to use this color and I want to use the glitter together, and I want to do a design that I saw on Pinterest, so I'll see if I have time to do that. And this is the glitter, and I really like it because it did have pretty good coverage. It wasn't completely, you know, just clear with glitter. It actually had some color, so I would like to pair that with the last one I just showed, the number 5. But yeah, these are all ready with the 2 coats, and I top coated them. And so I'm just going to show them again. Those are the first 2, the lighter pinks. Really, really pretty. Those are going to be pretty for Easter. And then these are like the neon, brighter colors here. And then this pink and that glitter, oh, like pinky purple, just, oh, gorgeous. But yeah, I was showing, I'd like to put them, you could probably do like a coat of that, the 05, and then put the glitter on top. And then I had to show them one more time all together against a white background because, oh, they're just gorgeous, you guys. Alright, so I think I know what I'm gonna do for my set. I'm gonna wear this glove that I got in the Daily Charm box, just because I need to protect my hands. I already have sun damage because I'm so fair skinned, so I just want to protect my hand from the light. Just want to do like a bright pink set. I made these little press-ons yesterday actually, real quick, because we were going to dinner for my son's birthday, and so I made these And I put these little reflective stickers. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. And then this was like the, I don't know. I forgot which finger, the middle finger. But yeah, I just made these real quick using these two colors. But I really like the way they went together. I thought they were super cute. So I think I'm going to do probably some polka dots. I'm going to use the Born Pretty tips I got with the, it came with the 6-in-1 gel. So yeah, I'm going to be using these. These are like coffin. I think they're just like long coffin. And I have these really cute water decals I've been wanting to use. So I think it's going to be perfect. I think the pinks are pretty, you know, pretty close match here. So I might use some of those. And then I have like these pink and red stickers. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my peel off base coat. I've showed this a few times already. So yeah, I'm just going to apply 2 coats and then I'll be back. All right, so now I'm going to be putting the tips on. I'm going to use the Born Pretty 6-in-1. And I have my little curing light here. Alright, so I already went ahead and filed and buffed the nails, and if they look a little dry, it's because I put alcohol around, you know, to clean it off, all the dust and stuff. So now I'm just going to go in with this is the Born Pretty base coat. And I'm just going to apply a coat to each nail, and then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to use the 3 colors. I'm going to paint the pinky and the thumb, the reddish color. And then the middle finger, I'm going to do the pink. And then on each side, I think the index and the ring finger and the index finger, I'm going to do the light pink. I don't know, we'll see how it looks. So I'm going to be applying 2 coats, and we're going to cure each coat for 60 seconds. Alright, so these are the colors. Look how pretty. Oh, this reddish color, I love. The pink, I mean, I love them all. They're just so pretty. Oh, I love it. I just love all the pinks. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the Born Pretty top coat. And this just has a very, very slight shimmer. I don't even think you can tell. I used it on the press-ons yesterday, but I don't know if you can see that. I mean, there's like just the tiniest little sparkle in there, but this is the only top coat I have from Born Pretty, so we're going to use this. Sorry if there's noise. It's windy here today and nobody's here, so I was like, I don't want to do a voiceover. I just want to talk while I'm doing this. So but yeah, I'm just going to be applying the top coat to each nail, and then we're going to cure the whole hand for 60 seconds. Alright, so now we're going to go in with these water decals, and I'm just going to cut out the little ones that I want here. This is my second time using water decals. I've only used them once on another set like a while ago, but Sorry, I was getting out of frame here. But I just put a tiny bit of base coat on my nail where I'm gonna put the water decal, just like tiniest little thin amount so you can barely see it. And then you just cut out the water decal and you put it in water there, and then it slides right off pretty easy. It didn't even take that long in the water, but yeah, so I'm just positioning that little ladybug where I want it there. And like I said, it is on a little bit of base coat. That way it can be, you know, secured in place. So I'll just put that on and then I cure it, just flash cure it real quick. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna be cutting out just the ones I want, placing it in the water. And yeah, I really like, I don't know, I like the water decals. They have a lot of cute ones. And I think as far as like for me, just the colors are a lot brighter with the water decals for some reason. So yeah, I really enjoy them. I'm gonna start trying to get some more water decals. I do have a bundle of them actually, like flowers and stuff that I got, and I don't know if it would get them out for spring because they're like flowers. So yeah, they're real pretty. But so yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the index finger. I'm just cutting out some of these, and I think that all the pinks went together pretty nice. So yeah, I think in one part I do show me putting on the base coat, but like I said, yeah, here we go, just a very thin amount. I mean, you can barely even see it, but just enough to, you know, to secure the decal in place. But yeah, you'll see in a little bit, the middle finger, I do change the color of that just because I wanted to hand paint some ladybugs. And I thought the color was just a little bit too bright. It would kind of clash with that red color. So you'll see I go in and, yeah, here we go. And I'm so mad. Oh my gosh. The part where I put on the polka dot, I wasn't recording. I looked up and the phone was off. I was like, are you kidding me? I just took a dotting tool and I just used that red color, the 04, and just made dots all over the nail, the ones that have the water decals. And then yeah, I decided to go with the 01 shade, that really light pink, just so the ladybugs would stand out a little bit more. So that's all I'm doing. I did actually 3 coats of this one, just because it was super light and you could still see a little bit of like my nail bed. So I just did 3 coats, no big deal. And so yeah, I'm going to be using that 04, and I'm going to be doing a heart. We're going to make heart little ladybugs, and I'm just showing some dotting tools. I wasn't sure which size or how big I wanted the heart to be, and then I have this really thin liner brush here. So I'm just taking some of that gel polish on my dot tool, and I'm just going to make 2 dots. And like I said, I'm not good at nail art, but I'm trying to incorporate, you know, a little bit here and there. And so I'm just dragging where the dots were, just dragging them together to form a heart. And I still need to practice though more. This was the best one that came out on the nail. I ended up doing 3 and this one came out the best. But yeah, I need to practice just where the heart curves there in the middle. I wanted it a little different, and I don't know, I couldn't get it. I was trying to work on it, and so I just left it because it was like that was the nicest one. But yeah, definitely gonna start trying to do more nail art. And so yeah, and then I just kind of dragged the polish around just to fill in the heart, and then I went ahead and just flash cured it. And then I'm using this dotting tool it's like an egg shape, and I'm just gonna go in and just make the little dots. But yeah, that was the smallest, I think, dotting tool I have, was that little egg shape. So it did a pretty good job. And then now I'm just going to go in with my liner brush and just taking some black polish, and I'm just going to draw the little antennas. It seems like, oh, it's so easy to draw, but I'm serious, I can't even draw like straight lines or anything. So it actually took me a few tries just to get the little antennas right. And then I just took that little dotting tool and just made the little dots there for the antennas. And then I went ahead and cured everything for 60 seconds. This is my first time doing stamping on a set. I usually just have been practicing and I have not been successful, but today was actually a good day and I finally got it. This rose actually took a few times, so yeah, I was so excited. I finally got it. It came out really good too. So yeah, I just thought I'd incorporate the black just because, you know, the ladybugs have the black in it. And then I took a little bit of the light pink shade. No, actually I think this was the number 2 shade, that pink, and I just wanted to fill in the rose a little bit. And I didn't want to leave it, you know, bumpy, so I tried to smooth out as much as I could. I just wanted to add some color to it. But yeah, I still need to practice way more with stamping, but I was proud of myself that I was able to do it because yeah, I was getting really discouraged because every time I would sit down to practice, I mean, nothing was coming onto the stamper. And I even washed it. They said soap and water. And so I don't know, today just, I guess, was my lucky day. So I'm going to take it. But yeah, for the thumb, I'm just doing this stamp that says love you. And it has like the little 4-pointed stars. And yeah, it has like the heart in the middle. Really cute. Just wanted a simple little fun bright set. So yeah, it came out really cute. And this is the finished set here, you guys. I think it came out just super fun, super cute. Like I said, I'm not the best at nail art, but I'm trying. But yeah, I think they came out really cute. I love that red. That bright red is so pretty. But yeah, thank you so much, Born Pretty. This collection is absolutely gorgeous. And my representative told me she was going to give you guys a code for Amazon. So I'll be putting that in the description. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.